Have you been trying to get into online business or get into affiliate marketing, but you don't have the startup capital? You don't know where to start or where to begin? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple method that is extremely easy that any beginner can apply to generate free passive income while promoting affiliate products. You don't want to miss this. Cue the intro.
Yeah. Oh. Gucci gang. Oh.
That's it right there, Tina.
Lil Pump. Yeah. Gucci gang. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
big head on the bed.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Alright, so let's get right into it, guys. First and foremost, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. If this is your first time coming across my channel, sorry about the noise. Currently in a public area, if you can't tell already. But I am a digital entrepreneur. I teach people strategies and methods to make money online, to crush it in marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing. So, in order to succeed within this industry, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that notifications bell, because I drop fire ass content every single day to help you get results within your business. And follow your boy on Instagram at Eric Ellis Jr. Now let's get right into the content, right? A step behind the laptop and we're gonna go in and dig in. So, first and foremost, right? Free passive income promoting affiliate products. First and foremost, what is affiliate marketing? If you guys aren't aware what affiliate marketing is, it's very simple. Let me go ahead and make it as simple as possible for you. Join, promote, earn, right? It's that simple, guys. What you're simply doing is you're joining a company, number one, or you're getting access to a product that a company offers. You're promoting that product, and for the sales that you generate, you're gonna go ahead and get paid affiliate commissions. Now, what is the free, simple, easy method that anybody can do, right? Guys, the easiest way to get your foot in the door, if you have no startup capital and you don't know where to start, right, is simply, what is the easiest thing that you guys can do? It's something called product reviews. And basically, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there are three things that you guys need, right? You need an offer, right? Then you need traffic. Well, those are the two simple things you need, but if you actually want to put everything together, you want to use sales funnels, email marketing, all that extra stuff, but we won't make it too complicated, right? So two things really, right? If you have no freaking money, you can do product reviews and you can drive traffic to your offers by simply doing these product reviews, right? Now, what are we gonna do is we're gonna leverage something called YouTube SEO, right? Now guys, basically, I'm not sure if you guys were aware, but YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right? So here's the thing, naturally, if you try something out, you're more likely to give somebody your opinion anyway. If you saw a bad movie, you probably give your opinion, and if you saw a good movie, you probably give your opinion to your friends, your family, right? You naturally want to tell these people about your experience. People like to talk about experiences, right? And before you buy something, what is the first thing you do? The first thing you do is usually look at reviews, right? So if you do that, right, and you search for reviews before you make a purchase, what do you think other people do, right? Now, what does that mean? People who are searching for reviews are ready to buy, right? So they're targeted, right? Because they're searching for your content, number one. And number two is after you give them a review, if it is something that you actually like and you'll stand behind, if you recommend, hey, if you guys want a discount with whatever you're looking to buy, right? Take a look at this. Click the link in my description. I'm going to show you guys in a second, right, what I mean. But the reason why this is so powerful, right, and you need to do this within your business, especially as a beginner, or even if you're not a beginner, right? I do this myself, and I'm not a beginner within affiliate marketing. Is leveraging this because people are ready to buy. They're searching specifically for the answer to see, is this something I should invest in or not? And with them doing their due diligence and finding and stumbling across your review, giving them that reassurance and making that purchase, instead of them going to the website, typing it in, you can simply have a simple call to action if you want. People like simple, people like easy. If you want more information or if you want to actually take action, take a look at the link in my description, right? It alleviates them from typing or anything. They simply click a button, they're redirected to the sales page or the sales process, and you're gonna go ahead and get paid a commission, right? So, how does this process work? Now here's the thing, guys. What type of affiliate offers are you guys offering, right? You need to know your niche, right? So an example is when you go to YouTube, one way, when you just get started, I wouldn't recommend doing YouTube reviews for things with a large amount of competition, right? Because it's gonna be hard to rank. So I'm gonna give you two different scenarios within this video just to kind of show you guys. And I'm gonna show you guys, right? Number one is Beats by Dre. Now, this one is Beats by Dre is a physical product. So the type of affiliate marketing you do with this is Amazon Associates, right? So if you notice, Beats by Dre, this one has 8.2 million views 3 years ago. So it's still ranked number 2 3 years ago. And what happens is it's a 6-minute video. They're simply reviewing the product. And once they review the product, what do they have at the bottom? They have Amazon Associates, right? They're redirecting to an affiliate link. So if you notice, they're simply going to go to review, and at the end of the video, they're going to have a simple call to action at the end of the video, right? Simple. Now, if you look here, I use a tool called TubeBuddy, right? And I can see exactly what they use to rank their video, right? The first thing that they did is they ranked using the first line saying Beats by Dre, right? That's crucial. Number 2 is they rank by using these tags, right? Beats by Dre is the first tag, right? Beats by Dre. And they might have, I'm surprised they don't have Beats by Dre review and they still rank for that, right? But here's the thing, another reason why people rank when it comes to YouTube SEO is because they're an authority, right? If you notice, this guy has 6.2 million views or following, right? So he makes a whole bunch of videos. He's an authority within the space, right? So what I recommend with you starting out is not you making reviews on something so competitive, right? Now another one is STEM Social Review. Now this is actually my friend, right? Danielle, right? And she ranked for STEM Social Review. And if you notice, right, some of the things that made her rank is, number 1, STEM Social Review is right here. STEM Social, right? Number 2 is it's in the title, STEM Social. So we're going to click on this, and it's in the thumbnail as well. So if you click it, and what's funny is she's not even an affiliate marketer, but she has her affiliate link. If you look here, get a 5-day free trial for STEM Social, and basically she only has 14 subscribers, but she's made over $1,000 with this one video. With this one video, she's made over $1,000. 14 subscribers. So people are saying, oh, I don't have any money, I don't have any following on YouTube. Guys, you don't have to have a following to make money on YouTube. You simply rank a video doing search engine optimization, right? If you notice, tags, Instagram automation, STEM Social login, STEM Social review, STEM Social review. She used the STEM Social in the first line of the text, and then there's a long description. I personally don't put long descriptions, but obviously it helped for her, right? So if you notice, guys, she ranked for this video. She made over $1,000 with one video, and the video literally took her 7 minutes. Now the reason why she ranked for it is because there's not too much competition. Now if I looked for if you look, there's not too many other STEM Social reviews. But if I was to do Beats by Dre, there's going to be hundreds upon hundreds of reviews. If I go for STEM Social, there's not a lot of competition. So look for products and services that you're actually using that don't have large competition on YouTube. Search engine optimize your video, right? Put the put the actual keywords that you're trying to rank for. In this instance, people are what you want to assert. You want to rank for the keyword, which is the product plus review, right? That's what you want to rank for. Put it in the title, put it in the first line of the description, put it in the thumbnail, and make sure you say it multiple times. And not every single video is going to rank, but if you consistently do reviews, right, you're going to start catching traction. Number one, you're going to drive traffic to your affiliate offers, and number two, you're going to start building a following and a loyal fan base and subscriber base, right? Looking for your opinion for up and coming reviews. And then what you can do is kind of pivot to another route. Once you start building a subscriber base, income and subscriber base, you can start talking about other stuff when it comes to YouTube. But with that being said, guys, that is how you guys can make free passive income promoting affiliate products. It's that simple. It's that easy. Anybody can do this. If you are a beginner, this is where you need to start. If you have no money, this is where you need to start, right? Now, if you guys enjoy that, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you guys enjoy that, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell, because I drop fire content on the daily, tips and tricks to help you crush it as a digital entrepreneur. And if you guys are extremely serious about affiliate marketing and digital marketing, I have something called Wolves Academy. It's where I mentor people. If you guys think this was good content, guys, I teach you guys about sales funnel. I teach you guys about all my traffic methods. I'm simply mentoring people with bi-weekly webinars and bi-weekly trainings, and they get access to our private mastermind group, which is approaching 1,000 students, right? Where we're literally teaching people step by step how to crush it in affiliate marketing and digital marketing, right? Now, the reason why it took me so long to succeed within digital marketing is because I didn't have a mentor. So I want to be your mentor. If you want a mentor, click the first link in the description. You'll get access to Wolves Academy, and you'll be able to literally get mentored by me and join the hungry community of wolves. And number two, all the freaking tools and resources that I use in affiliate marketing will be down below in the description. I appreciate you guys so freaking much. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you tomorrow. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Yeah, Gucci gang. Oh, yeah.
Big head on the field.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.